Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on to send money from CIBC to PayPal. Make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistake, and also hit the subscribe button because actually helps me out. So to get started with the process, the first thing to do is to you have to link your CIBC bank account to your PayPal. Then from there, access your PayPal account, then log in into your PayPal account, then navigate to wallet, then click on wallet at the top of the page. Then from there, you have to link a bank account. So click on link a bank account, then enter your CIBC account details, which is your institution number, which is your high 10, then your transfer number, which is your specific branch transit number, then your account number, and your personal account number. Then from there, you have to confirm your bank account. So PayPal may initiate two small deposits into your CIBC account within 1 to 2 business days, and after that you have to go to the wallet, then select your CIBC account and enter the exact account amount of the deposits to confirm, then link your bank account. Then the next thing to do is to add funds from your CIBC to your PayPal. So next thing to do is to initiate the transfer. Then if your PayPal account go to wallet, then click on transfer money, then select add money to your balance. Then from there you have to choose your linked CIBC bank account, then enter the amount, then click on transfer. Then from there, that's how you can simply send money from your CIBC to PayPal. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more.